guys, I'm Kimberly from Fat Quarter Shop Flosstube. Get ready for our Halloween haul cross-stitch edition. My husband Kevin loves Halloween, so he's gonna love that I did this video just for him. These items are great for displaying mini cross stitches. We're gonna start with these two metal containers. They're both from Michaels, and you could magnetically attach to the front, the side, or the back. The Be in My Bonnet stitch cards set F, they'll fit perfectly on there, or you could even use Stitching with the Housewives tiered tray tidbit patterns. They'll both fit and they'll look so cute together. This wood display is from the Target dollar spot, and you can fit different cross stitches in each spot and super low price. It can go horizontally or vertically. These little glass bottles from Michaels are cute to put in your tiered tray for accents, and these Halloween mini ornaments from Walmart will add a touch of Halloween to your finishing bows and ribbons. This, of course, is our free Bats and Booze mystery cross stitch that we released this year at Fat Quarter Shop. Priscilla Blaine finished this version, and you can find all the details of how she finished it and where she got all the wood pieces on her blog that we've linked in the description box. This metal cauldron is from the Target dollar spot, and it would be great to finish Bats and Booze. We saw this cute post on Kimberly Stitch Squad that was so adorable. You can find great finishing inspiration in my Kimberly Stitch Squad group on Facebook. I found this wooden pumpkin piece at Home Goods. It's actually my favorite of everything I'm showing you today. You can just display it in your home, or you can add a cross stitch to the front, and the new Buffalo Plaid Halloween pattern by Stitching with the Housewives fits perfectly right in the center. I know all of you cross stitchers are gonna love this new thread coffin. It's a limited edition spooky box exclusive, so the only way to get it is to order our spooky box. It will hold scissors, threads, all kinds of things, and it has a nice magnetic closure. These leather earrings are from Walmart. We thought they were cute, so we just thought we'd add some pumpkin spice to our wardrobe. This cute stack of books is from Michaels, and it will be great to go on your bookshelf, the top of your tiered tray, or you can add a cross stitch to the top. These Halloween themed ziploc bags are from Target. They're 7 inches square, and they're great on the go to throw your thread, scissors, and you can even put a small project in it to keep everything safe from dirt. Next up is this cute fuzzy throw by Hide and Eat Boutique from Target. I bought it just for Piggy because he likes really soft blankies. We also picked up this trick or treat bag from TJ Maxx. It's great to store all of your fabrics for Stitchtober or your Halloween decorations. This is the Fright Night project bag. We also have a needle minder and a spooky charm. These are all from Fat Quarter Shop. The bag is a great way to store your whips on the go in a spooky style. And last but not least, we picked up this jack-o'-lantern garland from Walmart. Use it to decorate your tiered tray or hang it from a mantle. Now this is just half of our haul. To see the quilting edition, hop over to our quilting channel to check it out. Let me know if you like this video, subscribe, and have a stitchy Halloween.